So today is June 18, Saturday. We want to show you all this, view around to my backyard. Got a rose flower here. I don't plant this, but originally got in a lot of stuff here. You can see far away we have a little bit road right here, and it's nice. Good to be outside, and I'll bring you to my garden and I show you, right now June 18, we're going to see a little bit how good garden he done so far. Okay guys, see all the pins I had here? I got about 10 of them. I'm afraid that they're not good, but so far so far I can tell you compared to my tomato plants that 1.5. So right now June 18, by May, June 18 I plant. Because this year the temperature is like 24. You can see right now almost like a 3-4 fish so far. You can see from here to here the line, the body. So far we got pin and for my beginning I will show you my tomato. I gotta be a foot and wide diameter foot, that's why they're strong, and somehow I support them with some manure, chicken manure, so you can see all this view around here, and it's nice. All this one here less sun, but it's okay. All tomato right now I had, you can see they come out with the flower here. Sooner or later it will be good. You can see the flower there. And any flower you can, represent for the one tomato. So far so good for this. And I had just about 20 tomatoes so far right here. But beside that I got about, see this the bean it's coming out, all the flowers you can see, medium means you can see, right? It's a summer squash guys. Summer squash so far I have down there. You can poke it on, you can see that. Summer squash, I have about 6 of them. Here too many stuff to be around. My summer squash. And I got a 1, 2 and 3. I take over the land that I had. Also I have a sweet potato. It's a sweet potato. And remember I told you I'm going to do a little bit of like a content. You see all content here with grass. You can see potato. When potato ready, you can see over the grass. You can see well about it. A little bit green. That's why you see everything growing here around. This is my sweet potato. Oh my God, I like it. What the hell? Whatever we have, I'm playing for fun. Also, here I got a bunch of plant, and so far my garden like to fill it up, but I got some go like squash, green squash, stuff like that, and border ground, and also I have a beaten, it's called a beaten lemon. It's got a flower already so far. I make the design, they hang it up here. Sooner or later they go step by step up to the trellis here, make a good thing to do. They go up and top here, and then you'll be alright. And I want to hang it out a lot. Again, you see my plant, tomato. I got a big right now, all flower. You can see it by my hand. coming up here. Flower come up here also. You know, also nice. And right here we got a little bit big size. You can see my plant went up like so far. Good. Yeah. My honestly jacuzzi or green they call like summer squat flower coming up here. You can see it. Oh, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so far, 6, 7 of them. Also beside here I got border ground. That side over there border ground, and this one like green squat, and this is piton, you know, different kind of stuff. Got a piton lemon. Oh, so far you can see my salad. So far it's a little bit, you know, humidity. You can see that nice. Yeah, beside that I have a lot of cucumber. This is a cucumber. I got a 4 or 5 plants. Man, I got a this one they call a mint. This smell very good. I can tell. You can pick it up and smell it. Also, I have a lemongrass here. I have a 2 root one over there and one on the other side. This good time for winter time, and then you can, you know, sometimes you teach like a medicine for us to be when you feel like you're tired, your shoulder, and you got a boil in them, and that's help you out all sweat in your body. Mean the same thing. Mean you can make a little tea drink, and beside it mean I have a bunch of mean here. You focus on everything. You can see. Oh, right now it's really windy, but I don't care. All right. Be outside, a little fun. That's a lot of stuff. Green mustard. Okay. Green mustard can help you, you know, eat. When you eat it, you very easy digest. So far we pick most of them, but right now they still got a flower right here. This flower will be, you know, when they July, you can collect a lot of seeds from them. And next, sometimes they fall down. You can see the seed of that one, and they fall down, and that keep, you know, like permanent to be grow, and they continue to grow. Good. My friend, this whole my mean. I give away a lot, but still, you know, got a lot of stuff. All right, this June, you know, like, I give you a tour to see. By July, August, you will see a lot of stuff coming out, and I had a food they're gonna hang up here, jelly here, and this all, you know, green stuff gonna be filled up whole this top here. You will see. All right, thank you very much, guys.